This area, this is the final area to be cleaned. This is the final phase.
I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking boosters.
Nailed it for your sanity!
This is the shack.
Hey everybody, welcome. Hey, if you're new to the channel, or if this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for taking some of your time out to view. Always ask that you would consider subscribing, and if you do, ring ding 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 that bell down there so you're notified when these videos do come out. Give it a thumbs up, like it, and share. It definitely helps the channel. This is the final phase, basically. Everything around here, as I was cleaning the shop, and I wasn't sure, I wanted to maybe think about it, I sat it here. As I go through this, it's going three places: selling, donating, trash. So I still have a few things going. I'm going to start doing more stuff, and if we can get this done this week, this may end up being a two-part video. Not sure yet. Just depends how long it takes and how long I want to stay out here in the heat. But this is it. I have to get it done by Wednesday, because Thursday I start working. No more yakking, let's get cracking. Well, that's pretty much it for the day. I'm gonna go in and eat. I may come back a little bit later and do more. It's cooling down, or I'll come back in the morning, but all this has been done. I got my walk area back. So now when I need something, they're organized. I have all my pencils, punches, self-centering drill bits, and my soap sticks if I happen to do any welding, and of course my pick-a-pen pencils. I give these away. I ask people every now and then if they want one, and I give them away, and along with scrapers. I cleans the bearings on the side. They slide smooth again. This is my angle finder, and this is just paper for now. This is my nice Japanese saw. These are some of the metalworking. Again, I may end up moving some of these. I'm not sure yet. And this is all my table saw blades that came from the shop. These are really nice, but they're dirty. They need to be cleaned and resharpened. And then I think I'm going to buy some hangers for them. I'm just going to hang them up so they keep well. And then of course down here I have my biscuit tool. I have my trim router, Stanley old one, and then I have my sander. I also have the Craig pocket hole jig there. That's in this one. And the other one, I still got to clean the top off, but in here, these are all the stuff for my routers, measuring tools, angle finders. This is a universal base from Infinity. This one goes to my Craftsman router that broke. This is a guide kit, original, never been used. I may end up selling it. I really don't have no use for it. And I just keep these because they're vintage. This is a molding set. And I actually used this for a while when I had my grandfather's table saw. This is a wobble dado. I mean, that was, I tell you what, I built some cabinets, but they definitely were not good quality, because you do not get a good dado with that wobble blade. You can use it to do it, but I'm telling you, there is an awful lot of trial and error getting that thing set up. What a pain. I just keep it for sentimental value. Down here, these are more of the table saw, a couple more blades for the Craftsman table saw, 10-inch blades. I can still use them, but they're brand new. These blades are literally probably 30 years old, never been used. This is a hold down kit my grandfather had, I think for the table saw, never been used. I never used it. And push stick, I have to build yet. And I have epoxy, a couple of really nice chisels, and my woodpecker little scraper blades. And the sharpening stone right here for the chisels and stuff. And then the bottom one, these are my woodpecker stuff. Not all of it fits in here. Some of the woodpecker items here, these are my squares and the stainless square. I use those an awful lot. These are jigs I have when I make my 22.5 angles for the outdoor furniture before I got my DeWalt miter saw. This is what I used to use to get my grandfather's table saw set up to do those before I got all this other stuff. So there's things in here I've had for many years that I use, very basic tools. And then down here, I have a couple nail guns, and I have a couple of other woodpecker tools in the boxes down there. I still may do a little arranging, so I still have my dado blade set I need to put someplace. That's it for this video. Subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified when the next one comes out, or just check back now and then, because I'm doing these every day until I would say Friday of this week. Then I am done, back to normal schedule once a week, hopefully. This was just to show you while I'm staying home, I am staying busy, but I am done with that next week. I am taking my freedom back. They cannot stop me. I'll be back tomorrow, get all this done. I got the floor moved, things thrown away, stuff put away, reorganized, making progress, a couple more days. This should be done. 10 years waiting. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back your check for your sanity. Stay cool, my friends. It's getting hot. Get out and enjoy life. It's time. See you next video.